Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna tell you how to connect your Sony XB100 speaker to your iPhone. So let's get started. First of all, we need to turn on the power on the speaker. We need to press this button till we hear the voice signal until this indicator turns green. Great, now we need to connect it to our phone. We need to press this Bluetooth button and wait till we hear the voice signal.
Pairing.
Great, now we go to the settings on our phone, find the Bluetooth parameter, click on it and turn on. Then we need to find this SRS-XB100. We need to press on it and wait till it connected. And that's all. Now our speaker is connected to our phone and you can listen your favorite music from it. So I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching.